Resizing images in Canva on the web while maintaining quality is very important, and this video will tell you how you can design and look professional in a step-by-step guide. First, you have to open the Canva website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, you can create it. It's very simple. Open the design containing the image that you want to resize. Click on the image you want to select. This will activate the image editing toolbar at the top of the screen. Click and drag to the corners of the image to resize it. Dragging from the corner helps maintain the image's aspect ratio, which prevents distortion. If you want to maintain a very high quality image, you can, instead of just resizing, you can crop it using crop feature if you want to focus on specific part of the image without changing its resolution. Click on select the image's crop option toolbar. Adjust the cropping box to keep the desired selection of the image. Now once you're satisfied, you can export the image, you can download it or share it on whatever the platform you want to. Always try to choose PNG because it's highly recommended for high quality images. There are some tips you can use. Always start with the highest resolution images available. This helps to maintain quality when resizing. Avoid enlarging images significantly as this leads to pixelation. PNG is generally better format for images and transparency. If you want good images, avoid using JPEG. By following these steps and guidelines, you can ensure that Canva resize your images without losing the quality and it looks sharp and very professional. And I'll see you in the next one.